Hey everybody, if you have a floor covering like this, these look a heck of a lot better. Now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview? Tell us what you think about our floor mats for chairs. Who might say no, but no way whatsoever will these be provided to me in fitness review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this is what they look like. This is nice. This is made out of a very durable woven material, and it can be used on hardwoods or carpet because the backside of this has a rubber non-slip back. I would say probably best on hardwood, but if you want, you can use a undermat under this that's a little bit more durable on top of, let's just say, carpet, and then put this on top and it's not going to slip. I mean, it's on there. So this is one of a variety of different style of patterns. It's sort of a gray, sort of checkered look. Looks really nice in person. Looked a lot better than the pictures I was looking at before this arrived. So I'm pleasantly surprised, especially if you have decor using this gray example that complements, let's just say gray walls with white trim. It just pops. It looks very, very, very sharp in person. This is also mildew resistant. So by chance, if let's just say something spills on it or it gets moist, there's not going to be a concern from a mildew buildup. Two additional call outs are it's non-flammable and it is eco-friendly. A very specific spec on that is it is CP65 compliant. Close up, you can see the woven material, and wheels, such as with an office chair, roll very, very, very smoothly over this because this is not, this is not flimsy. It's thick enough and hard enough, and this design right here is I guess you could say tight enough and durable enough that it rolls over it. It rolls over very, very, very nicely. This is not like a soft material. It has, I'm not really sure what it's made out of, but it's a very kind of hard woven material that doesn't look like it's gonna pick or fray or anything like that. When it does come out of the box, it is rolled up, and it's gonna take about 24 hours probably to kind of get completely flat. No big deal. You just set it and forget it and let it do its thing. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about these very, very, very nice office desk floor mats, and we'll talk to you soon.